ophthalmoscope you're using, they are all very similar. And the three main controls you need to know are: one is a switch, on and off switch. So on this one, you press, you rotate, you turn on ophthalmoscope. You can see there, ophthalmoscope is on. You press it, this button again, and you turn it, and ophthalmoscope is off. There's no light. Okay? So the same button is present in here, but it's green in color. Press, rotate, it's on. Press, rotate, it's off. Okay? Here is similar as the other one. Press, rotate, it's on. Press, rotate, it's off. Good. That's the first button. Switch on and off. The next one we need to look at is I want to show you this part. This part in here is an eyebrow part. It represents an eyebrow, and it tells you where you should be looking at an ophthalmoscope from. So when you look to an ophthalmoscope like this, your eyebrow, this represents your eyebrow. Never look on the other side. If there is no an eyebrow sign, you don't look from this side. You look it from the side where there's an eyebrow. And now you can see the eyebrow sign on each one of them. You can see on this one, it's clear. On this one, it's there. And similarly on this one, an eyebrow sign is there. Good. The next thing to identify is the lens. So I'm going to turn this ophthalmoscope on, press and rotate, it's on. Now let's have a look. We said this is the lens, and this is where we need to look through. This is the lens power. That's why you see the lens power. Okay? So when you're looking through ophthalmoscope, you're looking through the top hole. So looking through that like that, not through this one. This is the lens power. That's when we check whether obviously you see the lens power that corresponds to your vision or not. So we said first is a switch on and off. The second one is to choose the lens, to control the lens power here. I want to show you how to control the lens power. First, let's look in here. When you see in here, you see that there is some numbers in there where you can see the lens power. In this case, it's 0, neutral. Now, if I turn off ophthalmoscope, press and rotate, you will not be able to see the numbers. You can only see the numbers when ophthalmoscope is on. So you press and you rotate, and now you can see the numbers, and now you can see the 0. Okay? So it has to be on for you to see these numbers. Now I need to introduce to you the next one, which is the lens wheel. This wheel here is what controls the power here. So if I move this lens wheel like that or like that, the numbers here change. Okay, so you move it like that. You can move it clockwise. You can move it anti-clockwise. What changes is the numbers in here. So as I move this, I will show you how these numbers will be changing. Okay, so that is clear. If that is clear, then well done. Now the next control I need to show you is on the other side. This eyebrow side is on the opposite side when you turn. On this side, you're going to see this control. Now this is a light selection control. This is where we're going to select what light we need. To begin with, if you look in here, there is a green sign. If we need a green light, we go to the green light. We push this to a green light. If we need a white light, we push this in here. Amongst the white light, we have the light that's going to look like a half moon. And I'm going to turn down, and I'm going to move this. So you see this white thing in here? So you rotate this to choose. If this white thing stops in here, it will give us a light which is like a slit light. Stop, look, as you can see, it's a slit light. Now, if I'm going to turn this one further up, it will give us a grid light, as you can see. It's a grid light. Then I'm going to continue moving it to here, Let's give us a blue light. This may be difficult to see, but you can see it's a blue light. Then keep on moving to the next one, is a full moon light, big full moon. Then I'm moving to the next. As you can see, this keeps on rotating, yeah? I'll show you this again. You see that moon goes there, goes there, goes there, goes there, goes there, goes there. You choose. First I choose the white light and the type of the light. Slit light is a slit light, grid light, blue light, full moon light, and there's a small moon light. So there's a small moon light, and when I rotate, a big moon light. And then if we go to a half moon light. If I switch this one here, to a green one, it will give me the same options. Again, but everything is going to be green. Small moon, big moon, blue light, grid light, and a slit light. So first again, choose. You want white light or green light? So always white light. And the white light, then you choose what you want. And you should always make this go to a full moon light. This one. Good. This ophthalmoscope is slightly different, but it's the same. First, what you're going to choose, move this, the green light or white light. Then in here, it's not round like this one. Like this. It is here rather. You're moving like this, and again, it's going to give you different type of light. Slit, half moon, small moon, full moon, grid light, and blue light. Okay? I think this one is similar. Well, it's slightly different. If you look all of them, this one, you have to rotate like that, and it was moving. This one, see, this white pointer light just moves like that. And it gives us small moon, big moon, grid light, green light, and this slit light. So slightly different, but they operate similarly. Look at this, you choose which moon you want. Look at this, it moves like that. Look at this, it moves like that. Then you choose the light which you want. So, to recap, again, we have got 3 controls. 1, to turn it on and off. It's off, it's on. You have to press it to turn it. If you don't press it, it will not move. Okay, on and off. Next is to look at the lens.
Acuity. To do this, you will need a Snellen chart. There were 2 types of Snellen charts. One is a big one which is usually placed on the wall, and the patient would need to be seated 6 meters away from the chart. The second type is an A4 size Snellen chart, which you can hold in your hand approximately 1 meter away from the patient. 1 meter's length is approximately equal to your arm length. Now, to assess visual acuity, remember to check one eye at a time. Ask the patient to cover one eye and to read from the top to the bottom of the chart.
Can you cover your right eye for me, please? Okay. And if you can read the letters written on this chart from the top to the bottom for me, please.
E, H, N, D, F, N, B, T, X, Z, U, Z, D, T, F, D, P, N, D, T, H, P, H, U, N, D, Z. That's it.
Can you read any more?
No.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Now repeat for the other eye.
Okay. Can you cover your left eye for me, please? And you can read again from the bottom to the end.
E, H, N, D, F, N, B, T, X, Z, U, Z, D, T, F. No, that's it.
Okay. No reading any letter?
No.
Alright, thank you.
Each line on the Snellen chart has got a number. The visual acuity of the patient is a number shown by 6. For example, in this patient, the visual acuity of the right eye is 6/12. The visual acuity of the left eye is 6/6, which is normal. If the patient wears glasses, perform the acuity test with the patient wearing glasses.
Can you put on your glasses?